Now I am filming part 3, and this is where there was this Goodman that turned on and scared me. Here's a train. It's not running. It must be a really quiet one. Another Tech 2000. This one is a pain, and it's a heat pump. I thought it was a boiler. Making that sound. And here's the pain. I think it's about to turn off because it is very, very, very shaky. And Mitsubishi Electric, Mr. Slim Duckler Slick. I remember that train over there. It's very muddy. Here's the train X14. It's running, but it's extremely quiet. And I think one of those Goodmans over there is running. Oh, it's that little one right there. Actually, it's this one. Here's the Goodman. It's actually a pretty noisy one. And this one is also running. There's that Goodman that turned on and scared me. Unfortunately, the battery is low. Here's a Tech 2000 silent system. See this? That Goodman is actually really noisy. Here's a really big Carrier Infinity series. It's running so quiet. And it must be a straight cool. And over here there's an American Standard and a York. Oh, this is a York. It's running. This one is really good. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.